In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a Walmart gift card to buy Robux. Let's begin. Now, once you are logged in to your account, all I have to do is go to the search bar and type in Robux gift card. So you can choose from any of the following: $20, $100, it's up to you. For example, we're going to be choosing 20. You'll be forwarded here. If you click the options, it will give you more choices. For example, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, and a lot more. Okay, so all I have to do is very simple. From here, you just have to click the continue button. You need to provide the email address. For example, in this case, we're going to be putting in, and then you can choose the number of e-gift cards per recipient. For example, from 1 until 5. And then, of course, the sender name. So in this case, that's going to be fixbotics. All right. And you can put in customized message if you want and click the continue button. Now here, you will be forwarded to the checkout process, and all I have to do is very simple. Continue the checkout process. You can use your PayPal or any credit cards. And once you've done that, you would be able to use Walmart gift card for Robux. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.